Dual flush toilet technology matters because it directly affects water usage, flush reliability, and long-term maintenance costs. With increasing emphasis on water conservation and bathroom retrofit projects, choosing a valve and flush system that balances performance with efficiency is critical. This comparison analyzes 5 widely available dual flush valve kits and toilets. Product number 1. 2-inch dual flush valve replacement kit for 2-piece toilets. This Haupioro replacement kit is designed for most 2-inch 2-piece toilets, offering a complete in-tank retrofit with a dual flush valve, fill valve, push button, gaskets, bolts, and a gasket. It emphasizes wide compatibility, adjustable fill heights 8 to 13 inches, and a 2-inch discharge valve with ABS components and a focus on stopping leaks and wobble while restoring factory-like performance. Price-wise, it sits in the budget to mid-tier and ships with multiple components necessary for a full valve replacement. Performance-wise, the kit aims to deliver both full and half-flush options, enabling water saving on everyday use while ensuring solids removal on full flush. The adjustable height and overflow pipe allow a precise fit for varied tank geometries, and the added button stem trimming instruction supports a reliable user experience. Potential caveats include ensuring your toilet uses a 2-inch flush outlet and confirming valve-to-tank measurements against the included size guide to avoid fitment issues on non-standard tanks.
Product number 2. Deer Valley DV1026B Elongated 1-Piece Toilet. The Deer Valley DV1026B is a complete 1-piece elongated dual flush toilet designed for modern bathrooms, offering dual flush options of 1.1 GPF, half, and 1.6 GPF, full, a comfortable seating height, and a fully glazed flush pathway. At a premium price point, it emphasizes aesthetics, quiet operation, and a self-enclosed tank to simplify cleaning and reduce wobble. The 12-inch rough-in is standard for many installations, and the unit includes seat, wax ring, bolts, and manual with a solid warranty and lifetime after-sales support. In use, the 2-inch flush valve and fully glazed 2-inch tramway contribute to strong yet quiet flushing dynamics. The elongated shape increases comfort, while the 1-piece design reduces crevices where dirt can accumulate, favoring cleaning efficiency. Installation requires more time than a valve-only replacement due to the integrated tank and bowl, and the 99-pound weight means transportation and handling should be planned with care. The 16 7/8 inch seating height is a plus for accessibility, but may not suit all users. The ongoing warranty supports confidence in long-term maintenance.
Product number 3. Sailong 1-pack 3-inch Universal Toilet Tank Replacement Kit. The Sailong 3-inch Universal Tank Replacement Kit targets 3-inch flush valves for 2-piece toilets, delivering a full kit with dual flush valve, fill valve, buttons, gaskets, and mounting hardware. The kit emphasizes water saving via 3-inch valves, adjustable fill height 8 inches to 13 inches, and silent fill operations, making it a practical option for retrofit projects where a full valve swap is desirable without replacing the entire toilet. From a performance standpoint, the kit supports full and half flush modes and offers height adjustability to fit various tanks. It also includes a 38mm button and robust ABS components designed to withstand varying water pressures. Installation is described as tool-free with detailed instructions, which is beneficial for DIYers. Potential drawbacks include ensuring correct 3-inch valve compatibility with your specific tank dimensions, and potential fitment challenges in older or uniquely shaped tanks. Product number 4. 2-inch top dual flush valve repair kit for 1-piece toilet, 10 to 13-inch tank height. The Nanobimic kit targets 1-piece toilets with a top flush design, specifying compatibility with 2.44 to 2.83-inch train outlets and adjustable tank heights from 10 to 13 inches. It includes a 2-inch flush valve, threaded push button, fill valve, and installation hardware. This option emphasizes a compact top entry design aimed at simplifying top flush repairs on one-piece configurations. Performance-wise, the kit supports dual flush operation with a half and full flush, and the height-adjustable fill valve help accommodate different tank geometries. The ABS plus PP material blend is chosen for durability and resistance to wear. For installation, the top entry design can be advantageous in tight spaces, though compatibility hinges on precise drain hole diameter and tank height. The user experience benefits from a straightforward setup, but care must be taken to ensure correct length and clearance for the push button to avoid interference with the tank lid.
Number 5. Fluidmaster 3-inch dual flush valve replacement for 2-piece toilets, including Glacier Bay. The Fluidmaster 3-inch valve is a budget-friendly, widely compatible replacement designed specifically for 3-inch dual flush outlets in 2-piece toilets. It is positioned as a quick fix to restore original factory performance for models like Glacier Bay, Aquasource, and similar brands, with a straightforward installation and a 5-year warranty. In use, Fluidmaster emphasizes reliable performance with adjustable full and half flush settings, restoring solids and liquids flush efficiency. The unit's 3-inch valve and dual flush button setup support a wide range of fixtures, and the included warranty adds confidence for DIYers. A potential trade-off is that price-conscious buyers may miss more premium finish options or integrated tank aesthetics found in higher-end models, though the core plumbing performance remains solid and proven.